How to find all muted profiles on Instagram. So go ahead and open your Instagram application. Go to your profile by clicking on the profile picture on the bottom right corner of your screen. In this page, tap on the three lines icon on the top right and then click on settings on this pop-up menu. Now in here, just scroll down until you see the word muted accounts. Click on that. And here is a list of the accounts that you have muted all throughout your usage of the Instagram app. From here, you can unmute the account by going to their profile. Tap on their account, and once you're in their profile page, tap on the following button. This will open up another pop-up wherein you will need to tap on mute. And here you'll see three options to toggle on and off. Just select the ones that you want to be muted or unmuted. So just toggle it on and off. Close this as this will automatically save. And that is how to find all muted profiles on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.